One mission, one community. Good evening. It's November 26th and you are watching Kab Tak News. It is the national communication network that provides you with the top stories that are sure with no bias. Thank you for joining us today. आज की ताजा खबर, हम पहुंच चुके हैं सेंट जोसेफ्स कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में, a school which claims to provide strong extracurricular program. मगर हम सच जानना चाहते हैं. Now, we are going to provide you with the ground zero report at the nation's premier school, St. Joseph's Convent School, that ensures the children to receive the best education. As our channel promises to bring out the truth, whether St. Joseph's brings out the best in our child, whether India's one of the most promising school helps in the holistic development of children. Let us take our viewers inside the school premises and provide them with the annual school report of the academic year 2022-2023. As we have entered the school, the environment is so pleasing. Viewers can see this side. There's a beautiful lush green garden. Not only that, Prachi, this side is filled with aromatic and musky flowers. And in the front, we have the motto of the school, Learn Dare to be Wise. Here we find the teacher. Let's talk to her. Excuse me, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you think? Why parents prefer this school only?
A heart filled with aspirations is all that we knew since the very existence of the school. And that's what gave us the ambition of marching forward till excellence is achieved in all our endeavors. Keeping the legacy alive, St. Joseph Convent School has always stepped forward and come up with distinctive propositions for the overall development of its students.
Okay, ma'am. We want to ask you another question. What actually makes your school special?
It's our students who make our efforts truly rewarding and meaningful. By the significant efforts to do their best, we are proud of every one of them. Through explicit and implicit school-based activities, we provide conscious, relevant opportunities to enable our young learners acquire knowledge, skills, and the habits of mind and heart.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, that's great. Now let's find out how well are the students equipped and how well are the various activities performed in the school. Excuse me, can you tell me something about the school theme of the year 2022-2023?
Yes, of course. As the thought goes, it is our care to make our life illustrious, not by words, but by deeds. So the need of the time is to create an environment at home and at school of kindness, empathy, and compassion. And then this thought led to the theme of the year, go and do likewise. And through this commandment of Lord Jesus, we know that every human being is a neighbor to be loved.
Okay. So how about celebrations in your school? Do you celebrate festivals or important days in your school?
Celebrations? Of course, yes. In our school established by CMC sisters, secularistic ideas are propagated through the celebration of festivals of all religions, national festivals, and festivals related to our environment with great enthusiasm. Exactly. We are exposed to the essence of these festivals through dance, food, music, and a variety of hands-on activities and projects. The festivals are not only connected to our social and environmental context, but to our inner world too.
Okay. So can you tell me something about the various activities that have been performed in your school this year?
Yes, beginning the year with the Easter, we decorated our classes with palm leaves, making Easter eggs, wreath decoration, and penned down short prayers to dispel the darkness of sins from around the world.
Hey, I remember Earth Day. It was such a memorable day as our school had conducted an awareness rally and a plantation drive where we went and planted saplings and made posters. It was just the way to strengthen our commitment towards Mother Earth.
Hey, let me tell you about the World Book Day. The occasion brought with it enlightening activities to foster the adoration of books and to instill the love of reading. Students enjoyed bookmark making activity, wherein they made beautiful bookmarks using eco-friendly material and wrote thoughtful quotes on the importance of reading.
How can we forget the most important day of our nation, Independence Day, which was celebrated with enthusiasm, happiness, and patriotism in our school. Inter-house competitions like contemporary dance, solo singing, playing a musical instrument, rangoli making, tricolor crafts making were the various activities that filled us with a love for our motherland.
Teachers' Day! We participated in various activities like Each One Teach One and wrote gratitude letters to our teachers acknowledging the sincere efforts put in by them. We had also planned many spectacles for the day, which highlighted the heartwarming relationship between a student and a teacher. Taking the celebrations a notch further, an after party was organized for our teachers by our dear sister principal at Rangla Punjab, where our teachers relished sumptuous meals and let themselves loose and dance to the tunes.
If I have to be honest, then for me the best celebration was Diwali, as my class had organized a special assembly that day. We also enjoyed participating in various activities like diya decoration, class decoration, rangoli making, and toran making.
So, how does your school impart the value of sharing and caring?
One of the best thing in life is bringing smile on a person's face. On Diwali, the entire school was a part of donation drive and we visited slum areas along with our teachers and donated groceries to make this Diwali a blessed one by gifting someone their box of happiness.
Indeed, plethora of activities in the school. पर अब हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आपका स्कूल आपको स्पेशल फील कराने के लिए कुछ करता भी है कि नहीं?
हम क्यों नहीं, हर साल, और वो भी चिल्ड्रंस डे पर. How wonderful the Children's Day celebrations were. Our teachers brought memories and laughter to show how much they care and appreciate each and every student of there. We spent a memorable day at school, enjoying the programs conducted by the teachers with the sang, danced, acted and recited poems for us.
Okay, can we expect young scientists from your school?
Yes, indeed. Even our school organized the Science and Maths Exhibition Expo 2022. The main aim of the exhibition was to teach us to reach the knowledge and use that knowledge to develop a scientific attitude and grow up as literate individuals. It was just amazing to see how we had made low-cost working models. Trigonometry, optical box, respiratory systems were some of the best displayed models. Do you remember the activity zone? It was the attraction of the exhibition. Everyone enjoyed the activities and games and learned new things. These activities were also conducted to enhance the interest of the spectators and to make this event a more lively one. It was indeed a learning experience.
Well, now may we know how does your school impart the knowledge of students within academics as well as beyond academics?
Oh, I know you're talking about the quiz competitions, and the competitions organized by our school were so engaging and enthralling as they had questions lined up from multiple choice to visual still questions.
Okay, we have heard a lot about ASISC competitions. India wants to know more about it.
Yes, indeed. Our school participated in the ASISC literally event at zonal level under sub-junior and junior category in debate, declamation, quiz competitions, creative writing and painting. The participants from our school won oodles of appreciation and prizes, making us more proud by bagging first positions and qualifying for the national level competitions held at City Montessori School, Lucknow. I too was a participant at national level quiz under junior category.
And not to miss the zonal level sports competitions, our students took part in various ASISC sports competitions and brought back laudable laurels back to the school in basketball, badminton and throwball competitions.
मानना पड़ेगा, ये स्कूल के बच्चे हैं बड़े talented.
St. Joseph's is an English medium school. The students here, they are famous for their English speaking skills.
मगर हम और ये जनता जानना चाहती है कि आपके स्कूल में हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी को क्या महत्वता दी जाती है।
यूं तो दुनिया की 2200 भाषाओं में से हिंदी तीसरा स्थान रखती है, पर भारत देश की शान है हिंदी। हर भारतीय की पहचान है हिंदी। एकता की अनुपम परंपरा है हिंदी। देश के गौरव और संस्कृति की सुंदर छवि है हिंदी। इस वर्ष हिंदी दिवस के अवसर पर हम छात्रों ने हिंदी भाषा को सम्मान देने के लिए अपने मन के भावों को प्रस्तुत किया और यह शपथ ली कि हम अपनी भाषा को विश्व शिखर तक पहुंचाएंगे।
We heard some important event was held at St. Joseph School, Hoshiarpur. What was it?
It was the CICS meet. To foster creativity, competitive spirit, and to develop inherent and mirror talents of students, our school encourages us to participate in various activities. Even our school provided us the opportunity to participate in the CICS meet, a richly varied pattern of competitions which helped us to broaden our horizon. Proud Josephites were a part of PowerPoint presentation competition, painting competition, quiz competition, and of course, we had winning positions.
We heard some important event was held at St. Joseph School, Hoshiarpur. What was it?
I participated in the CICS Model United Nations competition and got third position in the same. The CICS debate competition was organized in our school, where 17 schools from all over the district had participated. It was an amazing experience. The fun, excitement, and thrill we experienced during the event was totally unbelievable.
Wow! Now we want to know, how does your school enhance the social life of students inside the school premises as well as outside?
You know, our school conducted excursion to Maple Jungle, Fun Zone and Wonderland for kindergarten to junior and senior grades. And the trips were of course so rejuvenating, and the memories we shared will be cherished in our heart forever.
But I still feel that your school focuses a little more on studies, isn't it? What about your physical activities?
Our school gives due importance to sports because sports teach us the value of teamwork and leadership. Don't you remember our annual Sports Day celebration, Akshita?
Yes. Let me tell you, once the races began, the air was filled with tons of encouragement and cheering for our young athletes. Grades 1st to 10 participated in various races like sprints, relays, banana race, and obstacle race.
Okay, a very important question. How do you handle peer pressure?
Our school helped us in every way possible. Awareness programs, seminars, and workshops were also conducted to help us to identify our own internal conflicts, stress, emotions, feelings, and manage peer pressure. All these sessions were conducted in an interactive manner. Some of the sessions conducted in our school were group therapy, meditation session, pre-exam stress and anxiety management technique, personal hygiene and safety, and many more. In fact, for our dear teachers, cancer awareness program was also conducted by Dr. Jessie and Dr. Daisy from Sister Doctor Forum of India.
God endows some children with really special powers.
How does your school uplift the morale of children with special talents to bring out the best in them?
Arshia, let us tell them about the Special Olympics. The 23rd State Special Olympics were held at Guru Nanak Public School in Ludhiana from 18th to 20th November, in which 45 schools and 560 athletes participated.
The various events of the State Special Olympics were 100-meter race, 400-meter relay race, 50-meter walk, and 50-meter race.
There were more games like shot put, softball throw, wheelchair race, badminton, and also 25-meter race. The proud 16 special athletes of our school won 13 gold, 10 silver, and 9 bronze medals. They also took the overall champion trophy in the middle school category.
Not to miss the 2,000 rupees cash prize given to them for being the marathon race winners, and a special gift, a bicycle, given to them by the State District of Special Olympics Ludhiana.
I think our students have satisfied you with their answers. Our school's vision, be holy and lead others to holiness, propels us to march ahead with greater commitment and enthusiasm.
We at St. Joseph's will continue our unceasing efforts to mold our children into well balanced personalities with confidence and zeal, befitting the standards of this portal of education. When students of this institute go out and being a proud Josephite, they tell the world, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.
Marvelous. So this was the truth. Our channel has exclusively shown the glimpse of hardships and excitements experienced at this portal of education.
That was the truth and accuracy. Thank you for joining us. मिलते हैं कल एक सनसनीखेज एपिसोड के साथ. तब तक के लिए बने रहिए तब तक के साथ.